This instrument is an Apron PNP or NPN transistor characteristic apparatus with the 4 meters, where we have the dual power supply. One power supply on the left side with the potentiometer and voltage you can see. You can make a circuit. This is another 10 volts power supply, and you can connect it, and there is a current meter on the both, selectable by microamperes, 250 and 50 microns. You can select and then make a circuit as per the manual or as per your book. You can connect. These are dotted lines which you have to connect, and these are dark lines. They are already connected inside, and the meters are there. You can perform the PNP common base characteristic or common base NPN characteristic. Draw the datas, graphs, and please visit website www.apronexports.com, apron01@gmail.com. This instrument comes with all banana plugs and everything. Very easy to use. Thank you very much.